in this exercise, we need to find a list. We need to define a list comprehension to produce this list of numbers. Okay, so the hardest part here is to find a pattern. The first thing we notice is that this is a list of numbers with 10 elements, so we need to produce something with 10 elements. I'm going to run the shell here, and first I'm going to produce a list of numbers, which is going to be starting, well, it's going to be a range of numbers from 1 to 10, but I'm writing 11 as the end of the range because 11 won't be included. Okay, so first idea I have is to square the numbers, because you can see how they get progressively bigger as we go from 1 to 10. So we can try this, a list comprehension where x squared or x in range 111, and we get these numbers. Now I am just going to try and find a pattern here. If you notice, 190, the difference is 10, and 81 and 72, the difference is 9, 64 and 56, the difference is 8, which is the basically the number x. So we can write something like this: x squared minus the number x, and this should produce, yeah, exactly the list that we want. So in the end, this is the list comprehension.